Let's move on to The Hague now, and the third prosecution witness claims Paul Gicheru offered a 2 million shilling bribe to get her photograph in order to hand it over to the National Intelligence Service. The witness told the court how she cooked for so-called warriors who were burning houses, maiming and killing people during the 2007-2008 post-election violence. Here is the latest from the International Criminal Court.
Please be seated, veuillez vous asseoir.
As the trial against Paul Gicheru at the ICC over witness interference entered the seventh day, defense lawyer Michael Canavas took on the prosecution witness in cross-examination. She claimed Paul Gicheru offered a hefty bribe to get her photograph.
Someone told you that they were looking to get your photograph and that they would actually get paid 2 million Kenyan shillings. You believe that?
Yes.
All right.
Your Honor, it's not like not intelligent. There is hitman also.
Canavas told the court the witness was initially rejected by the office of the prosecutor as a witness.
During the first time, you were worried about your security, which is why during the first interview, you did not disclose that information to the prosecution.
Yes, Your Honor.
Several months later, according to a statement by the witness to investigators, she provided more information, putting her at the center of the 2007-2008 post-election violence.
You felt secure enough, at least with the ICC, to disclose that additional information to them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You also told us that one of the reasons you went and cooked for a couple of days with the other women for the warriors who were waging war, and as you admitted, they were killing and maiming and burning and what have you, your neighbors, fellow Kenyans of different tribes, was because you didn't want to be punished.
Yes, Your Honor.
Canavas sought to prove that the witness had never met or communicated with Gicheru in any way.
That at no particular time had you ever met Mr. Gicheru, talked to Mr. Gicheru, had any conversations over the phone, any messages from him, none whatsoever.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Gicheru is facing 8 counts of corruptly influencing witnesses in the William Ruto and Joshua Sang crimes against humanity case following the 2007-2008 post-election violence. The defense team continues with the cross-examination on Friday. Rita Tinina, KTN News.
Moving on from the ICC case, lawyers acting for businessman Jimmy Wanjigi have